So here we are in the garage. I just finished setting up the Raspberry Pi to the garage. Those red cords you see there are hooked up to the NPN transistor. And basically, what's happening is I have the transistor replacing, or actually it's also together with, it's tied into that regular push button there. But anyways, I can send a signal to the Raspberry Pi. Right now it's set up through this iPad here, and I wrote a Python simple definition for push. Turn the output on, wait for 1/10 of a second, turn the output back off. And so now if I go put in this line of code for push and push enter, down it goes. Get the command ready for push again, push enter again. Up she goes. As you can see, it's a wintry day out here in Detroit, Michigan. One more push command. Door goes back down. Now all that's left is the web interface. So I can use a cell phone's web browser to open and close the door.